how to turn off do not disturb on your iPhone 17. So this is my iPhone 17, and how do I turn off do not disturb? For that I want to go to settings. To go to settings, you can just swipe left all the way till you see the app library. If not, you can also use Spotlight search. In Spotlight search, you can type in settings and then open settings. Once you're in settings, you want to scroll down till you see focus. Here you can see we have focus. Once you're in focus, at the bottom you can see focus status is on. That means do not disturb is on. If I click on focus status, I can actually turn it off if I want. I can also toggle it on, but here you can see we have share from do not disturb, reduce interruptions and sleep. So here I can just turn off do not disturb. If I don't want to do that, I can also turn on reduced interruptions. So what does that do? Let's say you have multiple notifications coming in. It is going to group all those notifications and give you just one notification so that it is not annoying, and it will stay there in your notifications. So basically, to turn it off, you can just turn off focus status. You need not always go to the settings to do this. You can also swipe down from the top right, and here you can see we have do not disturb. So it basically looks like a moon. If I click on it, here you can see it toggles my do not disturb on and off. If you don't have this logo over here, you can just press on plus over here and then add a control, and then you can look up do not disturb or focus. Here you can see we have focus. I can actually add two focus icons over here, but I have no option to actually let's say resize it, so it is going to stay this size. I can just toggle it on and off over here. If not, I can just press on the icon and go through all these other options, right? So I can turn on do not disturb from right over here or reduce interruptions from right over here, and that is very handy. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.